Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Akila, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing 7 modest fashion influencers that you should be following on Instagram. Now these women are a mix between women who are in hijab and women who aren't, but the thing that I think is pretty cool about all of them is that they have less than 100,000 followers. Some of them even have fewer than 50,000 followers, so you may or may not actually know who they are. So I hope I get to introduce you to some really cool ladies today who can bring you amazing style inspiration when you're feeling a little bit stuck. So with that being said, let's get into it. So this list is compiled in no particular order, but first up we do have the amazing Yusef. I think she is the coolest person ever. She's always rocking her Doc Martens. She always just has this really edgy way of compiling her style and her looks, and it always just seems so effortless yet so well put together. I don't know how she does it. I don't know how she manages to be so cool, but she is one of my latest favorites. Then my next favorite that I have to mention is the amazing Rhoda Mohammed, also known as Rhodis on Instagram. She is, if I'm not mistaken, Somalian and living in Oslo, and she is just incredible. The way that she compiles her outfits, the way that she wears them with her hijab is just unreal. I love the way that she layers. I love the way that she plays with silhouettes. And even though she's only on like 30 or 40,000 followers, she's even been spotted by Balmain Paris and has modeled for them and done some sponsored posts for them, which I think is crazy and amazing. I know a lot of women in the hijab community have sometimes been complaining because they can't find influencers these days who have all of their hair in. I personally believe to each their own, but if you really are looking for someone who is that way inclined, Rhoda is one of those ladies. Then moving along to number 3, we have the beautiful and so cute Ria Jacobs. She is born and bred and living in Dubai, and she is just, I don't know, she's just this beautiful, graceful, adorable girl, and she is actually a brand ambassador for Marc Jacobs Beauty. She has this really feminine and ethereal vibe and style to her overall look and aesthetic, and even though she mainly focuses on beauty, I really find that she has these really striking fashion moments, especially with evening wear. I think she does modest evening wear so well, and obviously Dubai is known for its opulence, and in those occasions sister does not disappoint. She's been featured and spotted in Vogue, Harper's Bazaar, to name but a few, so I think she's got a really great big future ahead of her, and I think we can look forward to a lot more modest style from Ria. Then number 4 on the list is the one and only Marwa Atik. So I love Marwa not only because she has this really cool badass style, but I just feel like she really breaks the societal expectations of what a modest dresser or a modest Muslim woman should be and should look like. So she rocks her hijab, but she is a badass when she does it. She is known for sharing her kickboxing videos and just general videos of herself kicking ass. She is the owner of Vela Scarves, which is one of the biggest scarf brands in the world, and she's just an all-round amazing woman and just influencer in general. She's got such a great energy and vibe to her. She's like one of my internet friends, and I'm just dying to meet her in person. I think she's just the coolest chick ever. I'm so amazed at the way she compiles her looks and the way she pulls off everything. Then number 5 on the list is an incredible woman by the name of Leah, or Leah Loving on Instagram. I discovered her because she slid into my DMs about one of my YouTube videos, and I'm so glad that she did that, because upon finding her account I just find myself so inspired by the way that she layers her pieces, the way that she compiles her looks. She has the type of account that you can just go to and find straight up everyday, feminine, simple, but really stylish inspiration. There's no frills and fuss. And the first time I went into her account, I was like, why do you only have like just over 1,000 followers? You deserve so much more. Because I find that when content is so to the point, the way her style is, it's really informative. But as we know, Instagram's algorithm. Anyways, highly recommend you guys follow Leah Loving. Even if you are not in hijab, I think you can get some really cool ideas and tips of styling and layering your outfits from her. Then number 6 on the list is the beautiful Daniela MBF. So I'm cheating a little bit here by calling her an Instagrammer because she's actually a really well-known YouTuber. She has an incredible YouTube channel where she shares tons of modest fashion hacks. So if you are not following her, you really should. She has got so many tips and I've learned so much from her over the last like 2 years that I've been following her. But her Instagram isn't maybe as popular as her channel, so I recommend you guys go and check out her Instagram page as well. She shares some really cool, just everyday feminine modest fashion looks, and she's just so pretty, guys. Like, she's such a girl crush, and she's such a sweetie, and she's such a honey, and like if you just watch her on YouTube as well, you'll just fall in love like I have. So highly recommend going to follow Daniela. Then last but definitely not least on my list is the amazing Aya Baikawi. I believe she's actually a TV presenter, although I mean she's from another country, so I've never seen any of her stuff, but her style on the other hand is so good. I particularly love following her Instagram account because she does those regular sort of styling videos that a lot of people are doing right now, where they show you, you know, 5 ways to wear a blazer or 5 ways to wear this skirt. And I find her videos so soothing to watch, but also so informative. Her outfits of the day are also always really cool and practical and just feel modern and fresh and so modest, of course. So I really love her account and I highly recommend that you go and check her out. So that is it from me for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that you learned something. As always, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave me some love in the comment section below because I always love to hear from you. And if you have any other modest fashion bloggers or Instagrammers or YouTubers that you recommend that we all check out, leave it down in the comment section as well. It's always cool to discover new people just to give us some fresh perspective when we are styling ourselves, especially now in summer. For a lot of you Northern Hemisphere girls who may be struggling right now, we could all do with a little bit of inspo. If you haven't checked out the rest of my modest fashion YouTube series, please do so. I've shared amazing tips on how to style certain items, modest trends you should be looking at right now, modest wardrobe essentials, and so much more. And if there's anything else you want to see from the series, please let me know in the comment section as well. I would love to hear from you and I'm always looking for new ideas. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video.